everyone, welcome to Sistry. I am your host Akshata and today we will talk about the best file shredder software for Windows. So, what do you think are file shredders? File shredder software is used to permanently delete files and folders from your computer so they do not leave any traces behind. File shredder softwares achieve this by overwriting on the space occupied by the old files, making them irrecoverable through any means. Consider yourself warned and make sure you take a backup before you think of deleting any file or folder from your computer. So, without any further delays, let's start with the best file shredder software for Windows. On number 1, we have Advanced System Optimizer. Listed on number 1, ASO has a multi-utility tool, Secure Delete, that wipes files and folders not only from your system, recycle bin, but also from the drive completely, making everything irrecoverable. On number 2 is ONO Safe Erase 12. Along with wiping sensitive data from your computer using its instant erase feature, ONO Safe Erase 12 also secures your data from hacking and security threats. On number 3, we have Secure Eraser. With its multi-utility suite, Secure Eraser shreds data efficiently. Once files are securely deleted, it gives you an option to exit the software or reboot the computer to save changes. On number 4, Drive Scrubber. Working on the tagline, erase data so it can never be recovered, Drive Scrubber efficiently shreds data and make it irrecoverable even by advanced tools. Along with it secures all personal information, recovers and restores the damaged drive. Number 5 is LavaSoft File Shredder. Do not want your personal data to be compromised anyway? LavaSoft File Shredder will help you completely wipe data, making it irrecoverable permanently using its advanced algorithms. On number 6 is Disk Wiper Professional. It is yet another tool that not only securely wipes data but also retrieves vital disk space on Windows. You can choose from 10 different data erasing algorithms to delete data securely. On number 7 is Remo File Eraser. Use Remo File Eraser to delete confidential data from everywhere, making recovery impossible with the further use of efficient data sanitization methods. Number 8. Securely File Shredder. An easy and effective tool to drag and drop files and folders to delete them permanently. With its one-click solution and data sanitization methods, it deletes data beyond recovery. Number 9. Free Eraser. It holds a tagline, deletes for good, for sure and for free. This free tool ensures that data once deleted will be deleted for a lifetime. Free Eraser is equipped with advanced engines working on 3 different levels. Number 10 is BitKiller. BitKiller is fast and easy software to remove data that is of no use. It needs no setup and shreds data using multiple methods of deleting data. So that's all people. Hope you liked our video. Go to the description box below to get the download links. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.